your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Hey, good afternoon, folks. It's turning out to be a simply gorgeous Monday across the area. If there is such a thing as a gorgeous Monday, this is it. Got clear skies in your live WeatherBug camera down in Rockport, where you've got 88 degrees, southeast wind at 13 miles an hour. And on the Bayfront in Corpus Christi, 91 degrees and east wind at 14. It's clear, unrestricted visibility, very nice indeed. Now, here is a look at the satellite radar loop, and what you're going to see is maybe a couple of showers up around San Antonio, and that's along a weak cold front trying to make its way in here. And we'll see that front during the overnight and early morning hours. It's not going to amount to much as far as rain is concerned, in fact, almost nothing, but it will dry us out a little bit and drop temperatures down a couple of degrees. Let's talk about that some more, because what you can see on the temperature analysis across the southern part of the country, lower to middle 70s across the Texas Panhandle, upper 70s to middle 80s over central Texas, and then south of us, 90s prevail. It's hot over South Texas. So the cool front is on its way, and it'll send temperatures down a little bit, but the bigger thing is to dry them out. Right now, the mercury hovering generally in the lower to middle 90s, except for the coastline, where you've got middle to upper 80s, but the dew point is pretty high. In fact, we're looking at 60s and 70s throughout the area. That's what's going to be changing. We'll see the drier air sweep in here overnight. Not going to produce any rain. You may see some showers down between Corpus Christi and Brownsville, but not around here. High pressure builds in and then continues in the area for a couple of days. We do have another cold front coming in, a stronger one, that will give us a more significant cool down. Right now, those east winds at 8 to 12 miles an hour, they'll become northerly tonight with that cold front coming in, and then revert to east and southeasterly by Wednesday into Wednesday afternoon. So we're looking at a quick change around here as cool air sweeps in and then sweeps out. But by Friday, that more significant front comes in here in that dry northwesterly flow, and fairly good area of showers and thunderstorms, mainly north and east of us, but isolated to scattered showers in our area Thursday night into early Friday morning. And then as you go into the next week, by Monday, yet another front makes it in here with isolated showers. What about temperatures? What about rain? You're not going to be much in the way of rain. You will see some isolated showers Thursday night into Friday, maybe 15 hundredths of an inch, and then that secondary front that comes in Tuesday, another area of light rain shower activity. Again, no major rains with this. We could use it. We're not going to see it, but we will see cooler temperatures tonight in the wake of that front. The first front here comes in with mid-60s by tomorrow morning in much of the area, lower 70s along the coastline, but the dry air heats more readily, so we'll be back in the lower 90s again tomorrow, but lower humidity. It's much more pleasant out there. Here's what it looks like tonight. Mostly clear skies. We're going to be looking at east-southeast wind at 6 to 9 miles an hour. That'll be shifting to the north-northeast around midnight, and our temperature dropping down to around 70 degrees. Tomorrow, back up into the upper 80s, but a drier heat out there. Middle to upper 80s through Thursday, and then that front comes in and isolated showers, and only mid-70s on Friday, and a slow warming trend after that.